In this tutorial, you'll learn how to perform an ad hoc measurement using FTB-Lite and Exchange. Start from the Job menu. Since you're doing an ad hoc measurement, the first step is to stop any active job. Once that's done, return to the main screen. Next, decide whether you want to add any properties to your measurement. Select Properties, where you can enter details like a job ID or work order. For example, WO001. You can also add a company name. Let's use a fictitious company name like Baggett Street Industries, and a customer, such as Telco 123. There are multiple other fields available, but for this tutorial, we'll just set location A to Quebec and location B to Lévis. Once your properties are set, return to the main menu. Instead of selecting a job, go directly into the OTDR module. You'll see that your measurement is labeled something like Ad Hoc Measurement 20. That's because the prefix was set to Ad Hoc Measurement in the settings. You can easily change this or adjust the starting index. For this example, set the index to 1 and select Confirm. Back in the OTDR menu, your measurement name will update accordingly and you're ready to begin. Select Start to begin your first measurement. Once the measurement is complete, you'll see the results displayed. To perform another test, select New Test. Each new test will automatically increment the index by 1. If you want to change the increment value, go into Settings and adjust it. For example, set it to 25. Then, select New Test again, and your next measurement will use the new index. Just like with a job, your results are uploaded in real time to the cloud via Exchange. Instead of appearing in a job folder, they'll be stored in the results folder. You'll see each measurement listed with a pass-fail status and a cloud icon indicating successful upload. Now let's switch to the Exchange web app to view your results. Since this is an ad hoc measurement, go to the results folder instead of the job section. You'll find your results listed there. Click on any measurement. For example, Ad Hoc Measurement 25. Just like with job-based tests, you'll see all the key KPIs. You can also download the TRCX file to analyze it in Fast Reporter. When you open the result details, you'll see the same parameters used during the test, along with the custom properties you entered earlier, like job ID, company, and locations. This information is pulled directly from FTB-Lite into Exchange, giving you everything you need to generate a complete report.